Do you need to change the default language on Windows 10? In this guide, I'll show you how without reinstallation you can do that. Although Windows 10 will help you to configure the default language during the initial setup, if you did not select the correct option or use a computer already configured with a different language, you don't have to struggle when your requirements are different. If you have to change the device default language settings, you can complete this task using the settings app without installation Windows 10. In this Windows 10 guide, I'll walk you through the step to change the system default language on your computer. The first option, like how to change the default system language on Windows 10. If you happen to be using the incorrect language on Windows 10, you can adjust the system settings to configure the correct language without reinstallation. Number 1, disable language synchronization. On Windows 10, when using a Microsoft account, some of your preference including language will synchronize across the device. If you only plan to change the settings on the computer, you should disable the option to synchronize your language settings to prevent changing the same settings on other devices. Now the first option you need to do here, just click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings. And now here you need to go into the account options. Now in the account option, you will see here on the left corner, synchronize your settings. Just click on it and might be this option will turn on like this. Just you need to turn off these options. You can also use the password, but I'm not recommending if you don't remember the password, in case or might be it will confuse you, or just turn this option off, it's better. Now the second option, change system language settings. To change system language default, language, close your app and use these steps. The first one, just right click on your clock and then go into the adjustment, adjust date and time. Once you over here, just click on the language. And here you will see all the informations related to your language. The first one, Windows display language, the apps and website language, regional format, keyboard format, and speech. Now there's a lot of options, but the default one is Windows display language. Just click on it and select the English United States. However, if there's not showing the English United States, then click on the add language and type here the English. Once you type here the English, you will get all the format, but you need to find here the United States. And I have already added, but in your case it will appear like this one. So simply select this one and then click on next. It will automatically adjust over here. Now it will, when you select this language over here, it will automatically adjust on all these options like the Windows display, app and website, regional, keyboard, etc. So your format will be reset. So this is the easiest way, guys. You can just simply add the language according to yourself. So yeah, that's it. If you have any question related to the Windows, just let me know in the comment sections. I'll make tutorial on your request as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.